Hello everyone and welcome to this video, presented by Cyprus Audit Services. My name is Charlotte and today we will talk about some important questions related to obtaining EU insurance passporting through Cyprus. As many insurance companies from third countries and the UK use Cyprus as their entry point into the EU market, the licensing requirements are becoming more streamlined and simple. Therefore, Cyprus is becoming a popular hub for insurance passporting. When setting up a company in Cyprus, it will be regulated by the Registrar of Insurers, acting on behalf of an overseas insurance company from a third country or, to a lesser extent, from the EU. Obtaining an insurance agent/broker license in Cyprus usually takes 2 to 3 months. However, there are some important things to consider. Firstly, you must form a company and make sure that its memorandum and articles of association include provisions for insurance activities. The company name must also be approved by 2 registrars, the Cyprus Registrar of Insurers and the Cyprus Registrar of Companies, a process that usually takes around a month to complete. Each name application typically takes less than 10 working days to be approved. As for our second question, having a local substance is required for regulated entities in Cyprus. This means that having an office and staff is necessary. Additionally, management must have passed its insurance certifications, which will be checked by the regulator, and this is conditional for the license to be granted. However, it is important to note that different requirements exist for insurance agents and brokers. The key requirement for obtaining an insurance agent or broker license is the credentials of one of the directors. It is essential for them to hold professional insurance qualifications. While the licensing requirements vary for insurance agents and brokers, failing to meet this key requirement will result in a void application. If you are applying for a general insurance license or a life insurance license for a Cyprus company, one of the directors must hold an international accredited certificate for the respective type of insurance that is acceptable by the Cyprus insurance regulator. Don't worry, we can assist you with this process. Regarding the composition of the board or management of a Cyprus company, there are different acceptable combinations as long as they comply with the substance and regulatory requirements mentioned earlier. One simple scenario is having a local director residing in Cyprus who holds relevant international insurance accreditations. Another common scenario is having a local director with no insurance credentials and an overseas director, residing anywhere but not in Cyprus, who holds the international insurance accreditation relevant to the operations of the company. As for the EU passporting, obtaining it is a structured and relatively straightforward process. Once you have obtained a Cyprus insurance license, passporting becomes easy. The process usually takes around 1 to 2 months to be approved by the Cyprus Registrar of Insurers. Once we obtain the local Cyprus EU insurance license, we will then apply for EU passporting, where specific EU countries must be specified in the application. Finally, Cyprus limited companies are increasingly chosen to act as insurance agents to overseas insurance companies outside the European Union. This is because Cyprus offers a fast and straightforward licensing process, as well as lower costs for setting up and maintaining agents/brokers licenses. Additionally, Cyprus has lower tax costs and relocation incentives. Passporting is also much simpler in Europe, and Cyprus offers cheap application and consultation fees when compared to other EU countries. Feel free to contact us for a free consultation and we will be more than happy to assist you. You can obtain more information from our website or our YouTube channel. We also have a very informative and easy to listen podcast on Spotify. Thank you for watching.